Hello fam! Hi there friends! In this future episode, we have this problem 20 to the power x minus 1 to the power x equals 399 and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult but it becomes easier if you break down the number 399 into two numbers such as 21 times 19. Next we are going to break down 21 into the summation of 20 plus 1 and express 19 as 20 minus 1. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 20 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for weekly updates.